Have you tried Cornhusk-Wrapped stick rice beef Zongtamales?
Hello everyone, Dragon Boat Festival is here. In China, we traditionally make zongzi, but today I'm taking on a fusion challenge, wrapping Chinese zongzi using Mexican Tamale techniques. Let's dive right in.
Just order the groceries online. Got some sticky rice, steak, garlic, corn, milk, and cook for $5.5 total. No need to step out. Everything arrived in 30 minutes. The steak came pre-marinated, so straight into the air fryer. 5 minutes at 200 degrees. Flip. Add butter. Another 5 minutes. Slick into strips. Back in fry for 5 more minutes. Chop and set aside. Soak the stick rice in cold water for 2 hours. Then season with light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, salt, and sugar. No pre-made corn husks. So I bought 2 fresh corns and peeled them by myself. Boiled the husks with salt to sanitize and soften them. All prepared, mix the stick bites into the rice. First try wrap. Let out corn husk. Add the filling. Wrap it tamale style. Tied with string. Started getting the hang of it. Made 9 mini zongzi from 2 corns. Steamed them over boiling water for 1 hour. Came out perfectly chewy. Bite-sized goodness. What do you think, guys? Guess what I'm going to do next time. Bye bye.